There is a new kind of brush which was introduced in Zbrush version 2020. So I have this model over here because this will be it will be easier to explain that brush using this model. So let's jump right in. First, let's take a look at how a standard move brush works. And I've got this cube-like grid object here. It's just going to help us to demonstrate exactly what the brush is going to do. So with the standard move brush tool, if I will go to my brushes, BMV. So this new brush which I'm talking about right now is also a move tool, but it's a move brush, but it's a different kind of move brush. But let's first see what a standard move brush will do. So if I will go over here and start to drag things, okay, so you will notice that it is dragging these objects in a spherical form. Okay, so let me do one more thing here. Let me make this brush a little bigger and then try to move it out. So you can see that it is creating a spherical form over here, and wherever I click and drag, so it actually click and drag that area relative to the camera. So uh, there will be times when you are modeling especially hard surface or mechanical shapes that you want to able to move instead of a spherical radius, just like what we did. I don't want that. I won't be able to move cylindrical shape and extend it infinitely through the object, because what I do is that if what I'm doing here is that if I click here, so only that area spherically is affected instead of affecting the whole area over here, like from starting from here to here, like infinitively. So let's see how we can do that. To do that, we have a new brush here which is known as the move infinite depth. So if I will go to PM and I have here that tool which is known as move infinite depth. So if I will go over here on this brush, okay, so now if I will try to move, so you will notice that it is not affecting in a spherical form, but rather it is affecting in a diagonal form, or from starting from here to here. Okay, and I can, if I will undo that, if I will make this bigger, so infinitively it is affecting my surface, not spherically. So you can see I moved here, but it influenced that move till the end. And I can easily control this as well. Let's see how we can do. One way to do is that we can go to an orthographical view by pressing, while we are dragging, we can press shift key, so we can go to an orthographic view here. And then if I'm moving around, so you can see that. Let me do that again. Okay, so let me lock the camera now. Now if I will go over here and try to move it, so you can see infinitively it is influencing my move over here. So now if I will unlock the camera and see, as it was flat sitting on my like surface orthographically, so it have influenced it from here till the end. So this is one way to control it, and I can make very nice hard surfaces over here, geometrical shape over here. And one other way we can control this is by going to the brush option over here. Okay, and then we have here infinite depth option, so we have to go to that option here. Here it is, the depth option, and you will notice that here I have infinite depth, and if you will see, there's X, Y, and Z. Now if I will click on X, so what it will do, it will only affect on the X-axis. So if I will try to change anything, it is now affecting only on the X-axis. It's not affecting on the Y or Z axis. Similarly, if I will go here back and turn off the X and go and turn on the Y, okay, and then if I will try to change, so you can see it is now affecting only the Y axis. So you can see that how it has affected this. And also you can go to the orthographical view if you want more precise result. Okay, you can change your brush size and then you can work with this. So if I will go back here, so you can see how nicely it has changed my view over here. And then we have here Z. So this will only affect the Z axis. You can see that it is affecting only the Z axis here. Now, if I can just go to the side, turn off my lock my camera, and easily I can do that. Now unlock the camera and you can see that how easily it has moved infinitively from this side to this side. So this tool is quite handy. I can go and I can turn on all of these here, but what it will do is that it will just make a diagonal kind of a result over here. And now if I will turn them all off, so what it will do is it will affect the effect will going to be based on the camera rather than any particular direction, like what we were doing before turning them on. So that's what it do. So because of the precise linear type of effect you get from this brush, it usually more useful on mechanical objects rather than organic things like character, but the option is there. So guys, thanks a lot for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to it yet, and make sure you watch all my videos online. Don't download my videos, so that I can get more watch time hours, which will motivate me to create more and more content. So please uh, support me, subscribe to my channel, and give me a shout out. Ask your friends to see these videos as well, and I will be like uploading more and more content in future. It is a lot more coming up, a lot more short tutorials coming up, a lot more live sessions will be coming up. So stay tuned guys, and we'll meet in the next lesson. So till then, take care.